When you bring home hay, the puppies go crazy. Breaking news. The hay is here. This is their dry kiddie pool. They like to play in it dry. And then we have the truck guard on duty. Are you on duty, buddy? Huh? Are you guarding the truck? Oh, yes. See, I'm guarding the truck. He's a good boy. Whenever we take this truck out, he has to get up in it to check it out. It's his favorite spot. Puppies are such a joy to have. But we've already gotten rid of 3, and that was so hard. We've been sad ever since they left. But they went to good homes on farms. Two of them went to one farm, and one of them went to another farm in South Florida. So they're happy, they're doing good, and they're spoiled rotten. They have families. They have goats, chickens, ducks, donkeys, cows, and horses. That's where they're going to be raised. Lucky pups. That was Dixie Belle, Teddy, and Gidget.
Like a can of food. Look. See where they're going with this.
See, we're having fun. That's what we're doing. Molly, what do you think about this? Molly? Molly's on Paw Patrol, looking for the birds. What do you think about this, Molly? What do you think? You're the only one got any puppies left. Yeah, they loving it.
Man, can you imagine one of these jokers get into some people that have cows in a big barn with hay, they can climb up in the bales and hide?
Oh yeah, they love it.
These dogs are built for that action.
Come here, puppy. And she's trying to find an escape route. She wants to come out and see everybody. But we got her blocked so she can't get out. What are you doing in there, Pinky? No, you can't get out, Pinky. That was the escape hatch. Came home last week and they were all out running around in the yard because they went through this pallet right there where we put the wood. They're smart. I told y'all they're escape artists. Little Houdinis. Now she can't get out. She's not happy. No, you can't get out, Pinky. You got a big old yard to run in. You don't need to come out. It's not safe yet. You're too young. When you get a little bit older, if you're still here, then you'll get to run with the big dogs. Running with the big dogs. That's what she's waiting on. Just like little children. Having a blast. It's a blast, isn't it? Yes, just like little children. Oh yes. This is fun, Mom and Dad. This is fun. Yep, you guys are farm dogs. Gracie misses her puppies. She misses her babies. She whined, but she's okay now. She just hangs out with Molly sometimes. She misses her 2 pups, doesn't you, girl? Yes, she does. You'll be okay. Everybody will be okay. Ain't that right, King Copper? He's a big boy. Oh, Molly? Where's Molly? Molly's on the job. There she is. Molly's on the job.
Yeah, you should.
Smell your shoes. Penny said there's something new over here. We inherited a bunch of gourds and pumpkins. Chickens got the pumpkins. Garden got the gourds. Some of these are still pumpkins though. But anyway, they're nice. Thanks, brother. Today has been a peaceful day. Very peaceful day. Hey, girls. What are y'all thinking about? What do you think, old Marty Stewart? It's been a beautiful day here. And nice and warm, 70 degrees. It's just been beautiful. There's old Jersey Mike. What's up, Jersey Mike? Huh? Jersey Mike and Marty Stewart. We got the crew here. But y'all have a great week out there in YouTube land. Talk to you on the next one.